A new year, and even in busy pubs and bars, there's a common resolution.
I suppose it's try and cut down a little bit on the drink, save money.
Cut down on alcohol and possibly go to the gym.
No dry January for you then?
Drier January.
Many will have overindulged over the Christmas period, but medical experts agree heavy drinking is increasingly a year-round problem.
Liver disease, of course, is one of the major consequences of alcohol excess. And we've seen liver disease rise to be the 5th most common cause of mortality in the United Kingdom. The top 4 causes, such as heart disease and cancer, the rates of mortality are actually dropping, whereas liver disease continues to rise.
The new guidelines are expected to recommend at least 2 days per week without alcohol, advice already given in Scotland, and a maximum of 3 units consumed on any one day, which for the first time would bring men's daily limits in line with women's.
The current guidelines on alcohol consumption were last revised in the mid-90s, but have been criticised as confusing and ineffective, with research suggesting that many people just don't know how much they're drinking.
It's a release, it's a relax, but sometimes you just need to maybe take a step back. But then what is 2 units? What is 6 units?
Most people are reasonably clued up, but then you have to make people, you have to let people make their own choices.
The country has a little bit of an alcohol problem, I think, in terms of the damage it does to society in numerous ways. So more guidance, I think, is useful.
The new drinking recommendations are expected to be published this month, just in time to reinforce those New Year resolutions. Sarah Campbell, BBC News, Richmond, Surrey.